Stay tuned to learn how proper storage can make all the difference in emergency preparedness. Fuel degradation is a silent culprit that can wreak havoc on your stored generator. Over time, fuel breaks down, leading to problems that impede performance. Imagine trying to start your generator in an emergency, only to find the engine gummed up and the fuel lines clogged. It's a scenario no one wants to face, yet it's all too common for those who overlook this critical maintenance aspect. Understanding the chemistry of fuel degradation is essential. As fuel sits unused, it oxidizes and forms gum and varnish deposits. These deposits obstruct the smooth operation of your generator's engine and fuel system. To prevent this, regular checks and preventive measures are crucial. Stabilizing your fuel with additives can be a game changer, preserving its quality over extended periods. Additionally, periodic engine runs and fuel line inspections can ensure everything remains in top condition. By addressing these issues head-on, you safeguard your generator's readiness for when you need it most. As we move forward, let's explore battery care and storage conditions, ensuring comprehensive generator maintenance and peace of mind. Imagine this: a sudden power outage and your generator refuses to start. Often, the culprit is a dead battery, a simple oversight that can leave you literally in the dark. Regular battery checks are essential to preventing such scenarios. By ensuring your generator's battery is fully charged and properly maintained, you safeguard its readiness. Think of it as a small investment in your peace of mind. Routine inspections can catch early signs of wear or damage, allowing you to address potential issues before they escalate. Additionally, proper storage is key. Store your battery in a cool, dry place to avoid the detrimental effects of extreme temperatures and moisture. These conditions can significantly reduce a battery's lifespan and effectiveness. Remember, a neglected battery isn't just an inconvenience. It can be a safety hazard during emergencies. By dedicating a little time to your battery's upkeep, you're not just maintaining a component, you're ensuring the reliability of your entire generator system. In the next segment, we'll explore optimal storage conditions for your generator, emphasizing the importance of protecting it from environmental factors that could lead to corrosion and damage. Stay tuned to keep your generator in prime condition. Let's delve into creating optimal storage conditions for your generator. Avoid exposing your generator to extreme temperatures, as this can lead to internal damage and reduced efficiency over time. Ensure your generator is shielded from moisture exposure, as moisture can seep into components, accelerating corrosion and causing irreversible damage. To further protect your investment, take steps to reduce corrosion risk by storing the generator in a dry, controlled environment. By maintaining the right conditions, you safeguard against costly repairs and ensure your generator is always ready to power your needs. Remember, improper storage, like exposure to harsh weather or humidity, can lead to significant issues down the line. This preventative approach is a simple yet effective way to preserve your generator's performance. As we continue, we'll explore essential maintenance steps that further enhance the longevity and reliability of your generator. Stay tuned as we guide you through cleaning techniques, fuel stabilization, and battery care in the upcoming segments. Together, these practices form a comprehensive strategy for generator maintenance, ensuring you're prepared for any situation.